Hi, it's Barbara from Miller's Floral Design. I've been without flowers now for 7 days and it's really hard. 40 years of handling flowers every day, and to have none is absolutely horrendous. So we decided if we can't deliver the flowers to you, because we are obviously a non-essential business, we would bring the flowers to you because we can't deliver them to you. So we hope that you'll enjoy watching these flowers being made. It's a lovely light crescent bloom. And we've got this rose, this gorgeous rose, which is called Heaven. As I said, these flowers, we bought all the flowers for Tuesday, and then on the Monday night they told us we had to lock down. So myself, the staff were all kept at home to keep them safe, and myself and Joe went in on the Tuesday to get all the funeral flowers done for the week, because we didn't want any funerals that going without flowers. So all these flowers that I'm using now are actually a week old, but they still look really nice because we condition our flowers, we scrub our vases so there's no bacteria building up in them. So we condition them really well so they'll last. And what I'm doing, I'm actually handing them in my hand there and spiralling the stems. And I'm just going to fill out with a bit more greenery in between, just to help push the flowers out so that they get a lovely spiral in shape. That's the Veronica going in. And we've got the Eustoma, or some of you know it by Lysianthus. Let's put another gerber in because we've got gerbers around the other side, so we'll just bring that there. Bring a bit more blue into it, the blue iris. Another Heaven rose. So I hope everybody's keeping safe. We're doing our best to keep all our family safe. We live on the farm, so I've been helping out with the livestock as well. So that's been keeping us quite busy. Again, I'm going to put the lovely Veronica in there. Some more of the purple Lysianthus. Then I'm going to trim the stems off. Cut them the stems to, so the flowers are 2/3 up here and 1/3 here. This is so that when you put it in the box it doesn't topple over. We're just going to take the string around the stems now. Quite firmly, but not too firm that it breaks the stems. And just tie that off. So we just managed to get all the Mother's Day flowers out, which was really lucky because we had lots of orders. These hand ties, we made, the girls between us all made about 300 of these hand ties to go out on Mother's Day. And we just got all those out on the Sunday. And we were told on Monday that we were a non-essential business, so we had to close. Now I'm just taking the cellophane around, and that just nestles the flowers into the cellophane, like so. When you have one of these hand ties, the idea is that you keep this cellophane on. I'm going to now what we call aquapacking it. Now this is only as a temporary measure for about 24 hours, and then you have to take this bottom off and stand it in nice deep water. All I'm doing is bring the cellophane up quite tight this, so it'll hold the water. Hope you can see all that. It's a bit noisy. We'll get that really tight as if, you know, you're doing like making jam, you know, when it's nice and firm like that. I'm going to tie the string around it. Normally I tie some ribbon, but of course I brought everything home and forgot the ribbon. So I'm just going to tie it with some string. And then I'm going to fill it with the water. Now this is when you know you've made a good job. If you haven't done this correctly, then you'll get wet feet. I'm just filling that up. Like I said, that is only on a temporary measure for about 24 hours because there's not enough water for all those flowers. And then we're going to stand it in the box. So when you receive them, you snip this bottom off, put the flower food that we provide for you in the water, in your vase, and then snip this off over a sink and then stand it, and it's all this cellophane can stay on. Hope you can see it okay there. Well, that's my first item. There you go.